Hennessy Paradis Imperial. How is this unprecedented alliance of age and finesse brought to life? Through a unique savoir-faire of precise tasting techniques and sensorial memories inherited through 7 generations of Master Blender. The art of selection. Now, you may think the older the eau-de-vie, the better the cognac, but what matters most is their selection. For Paradis Imperial, Hennessy's Master Blender uses its exceptional talent and precision to select, on average, only 10 out of 10,000 eau-de-vie from any given harvest. And if that weren't enough, they must then be assembled at precisely the right moment in time, once they've reached their apogee. Too early, they're not ready. Too late, they start to decline. Hennessy calls this the point of elegance. So, thank goodness the Master Blender didn't choose a different career.